What's up everybody, my name's Trey and welcome to another video. Now if you don't know, I started an income challenge in which I'm gonna make $100,000 outside of my primary income, and most of it's gonna be online. Now I can still use my primary income to hopefully generate other streams of income like side businesses, investing in the stock market, investing in cryptocurrencies, using that money to hire employees for one of my agencies, things of that nature. But it's not all sunshine and roses, people, because I'm exhausted. It seems like all I'm doing is working, getting off of work and working, going to the gym, then getting home and working more. So I'm super tired. I'm already over this, but I'm sticking it out, people, because I'm trying to make some money. So if you want, the playlist will be linked on the top right hand of your screen if you want to watch the first episode and really my plan to actually get there. But with that being said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. And let's just go ahead and get into the results, baby. Now, this month has not been very good in terms of generating income, and that could be for a few different reasons. But what I'm going to go over first is my actual YouTube channel. How's it growing? The channel that I bought from Caleb Box, my other YouTube channel that's a faceless cash cow channel, how exactly that's looking, because we got some things to go over, boys and girls. But if we're looking at my channel in particular, this is my personal channel. As you can see, I'm getting a lot more views, a lot more watch hours, and a lot more subscribers. And yes, I know it only says 18, but for me, that's a lot, because just 20 days ago, I was getting no subscribers every single day. So for me, it's growing a little bit. And I think I've done a pretty good job in terms of posting 3 times a week. Now, I'm a little behind as I'm making videos today, and I will be posting this video today when I normally make all my videos a week in advance to make sure I'm set up and ready to go for the following week. But to be honest, I've just been absolutely exhausted, and right now there is no money coming in through any of my channels, and my motivation has dwindled slightly. But we're doing our best to bring up the spirits, get back in the groove, and get back on track. Now, with my personal channel, one thing that I started doing is I actually started reaching out to other small content creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, asking for collabs, if they wanted to do videos together, if they wanted to try some different income streams together, to hopefully get them to post me on their channels or on their social media sites to drive in more traffic to my channel. I think it's a good idea because, well, if they have a similar niche to me in terms of they like teaching people how to make money or they teach people about financial news, it'll definitely already be an audience that could be interested in my channel, which should help me get more views, get more subscribers, and hopefully monetize this channel faster than I would be able to do by myself. Now, when it comes to my automation channel, like I said, the channel in which I do not show my face, I basically make lo-fi music. So beats with no words in it that you can sleep to, study to, clean your house to. They're just really peaceful beats that you can kind of put on the background so you don't have completely silence whenever you're doing things. This channel is still growing, still getting a decent number of views. The only thing that really sucks about this channel is the fact that I still can't monetize it because I need somebody to make me copyright-free beats. Now, I've been looking at people, however, I really like the fact that my videos are all like an hour long or so and have about 10 beats per video or per mix, I guess. However, all the freelancers I found on Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, are charging a ton of money for an hour worth of beats. So I'm really doing my best to try to reach out to somebody that will make beats, and instead of charging me up front, might do some type of profit share when I actually get this channel monetized. I think it could be a really good idea for them and myself, because I won't be spending any money up front. So essentially I'll be having them make beats for me for free, and I'll only be paying them out of the profits once this channel actually becomes monetized. But I haven't put too terribly much effort into finding those people, because I've really been trying to grow my personal channel as well as some other businesses that we'll get into later in the video. Now, I will say I have been relatively consistent when it comes to posting. These videos don't take me too terribly long to make. I mean, I can probably make 7 or 8 videos in a day. So basically what I do is I take 1 or 2 days, make upwards of 20 videos, and then I'm set for the next month or next 2 months if I have my channel post every other day. So that's really good. I'm also reaching out to people who are doing graphic design so I can get some t-shirts and some hats made with anime and with my logo on them, so that I can start selling them to my audience as well, because it seems like I have a pretty engaged audience when it comes to they comment on most of my videos, they like and they subscribe to my channel. So hopefully that's something that I can definitely monetize in the future. Now, when it comes to my reaction channel, I am very sad to say that I have not uploaded a video in a very long time. But my goal is this week to get back on track. I'm gonna not do daily uploads like I plan to. I'll probably do 3 times a week. Simply because I've been exhausted and I really just don't want to make 12 more videos every single week. So I'm going to do my best to actually pump out some content on this channel. This is easily my favorite channel. One, because I'm still getting views. Sure, it's not a lot, but they're still getting some. And I love watching anime. I love watching skits, try not to laugh skits, and videos that you can find on TikTok and on YouTube. So I actually enjoy this channel. However, I've just kind of put it on the back burner because I feel like my personal brand, my personal channel is going to be more important in the long run. But I'm definitely going to start posting this more often and more consistently, hopefully starting this week sometimes, with the hopes of monetizing the channel. Another thing that I really like about this channel is the fact that it doesn't require that much work. I don't edit my videos too terribly much on my reaction channel because I want you to get my natural reaction to the first time I'm actually watching something. It'd be weird if I edited a lot or I take multiple takes, then I feel like it's not even a reaction channel. It's more like a scripted video like I'm doing right now. So I'm going to do my best, like I said, to post to this, and hopefully here soon. 84 subscribers. It's going to be a while, guys. If we could get there by the end of the year, get this one monetized, that would be great. And then we have this channel. This is the one that I actually bought from Caleb Box. Look, it's only month 2, but it's not looking too promising. We're not getting really any views. We've only made 74 cents. And it looks like we're losing subscribers each and every day. So I'm just doing my best to stay positive. They said that they're a team that runs over 100 different channels. So hopefully this will turn around at some point in time, and then I'll actually be bringing in a decent cash flow from this channel, and hopefully be able to use this money to fund other things. Maybe pay somebody to make a beat on my other channel, or pay somebody to edit my videos on my personal channel. I'm really hoping that when I bring in income from this channel, it'll really help me grow income in other areas. But right now, not looking too promising. I actually don't think the videos are that bad though. I actually really enjoy the content that they post because they are more luxury style videos of getting into the metaverse, making money, how rich people spend their money, like what kind of cool cars do they have, or like super expensive yachts do they buy. So I actually enjoy the channel. Just looks like it's growing really slowly, but that's to be expected. I knew this was more of a long-term investment in terms of it'll probably take me anywhere between 8 and 12 months to actually make my investment back. But if it continues to grow at this rate, we're never going to get there, people. We're never going to get there. Now, for my other income stream, we will be looking at Facebook Marketplace. And now I have multiple Facebook marketplaces. I have one on my main Facebook. I have a second one on my second Facebook, a third one on my third Facebook, and then I'm also running other people's Facebook marketplace for them in order to take a profit split, with the hopes of opening up my own Facebook marketplace drop shipping agency, which hopefully will in turn make me more money and make my clients money. But on this account, not too much movement. Just really started getting back into posting products and sending out messages and things like that. So you can see that I have a payout that will be unknown for $56.80. But I'm happy that there's growth at all, and I'm actually getting people viewing my listings again because I haven't been posting to this in a very long time. So hopefully that spike of posting 10 to 50 products a day will really help me in terms of making income on this Facebook marketplace. Now, I also have shops enabled on my actual Facebook, which is really cool. However, I do not necessarily know all the ins and outs of shop yet. So I'm really trying to make sure that I can get some income coming in when it comes to the marketplace, and then switch over to the shops once I have a better understanding of them, and hopefully can grow my income like that too. Because currently I have 6 shops open on this Facebook because I used to do Shopify drop shipping about 3 years ago. So I had all these Facebook pages made and all these shops open. So at least that's one thing that I don't have to worry about when it comes to, making sure that my shop gets approved and everything like that, because they've been open literally forever. I've just never added any products onto the shop, or I haven't connected it to the marketplace yet. And then on my other Facebook, let's see. It looks like we have one order for the amount of $69. What looks like it made me about $15. So that's really cool. So if we add that 69 onto the, what was it? The 58, I think it was, 56. Let's round up, 57. We're at $126 made on the Facebook in the last 2 days, which is really nice. Like I said, I just started posting products to them again. My third Facebook, don't have any sales on that yet, but we will continue to try to post more products to that. And that's kind of it when it comes to Facebook Marketplace. I'm just trying to post as many products as possible without feeling burnt out, because right now I'm posting upwards of 150 products a day on 3 Facebook accounts, not taking into account the client accounts that I also have. So right now it's getting a little hectic. I think I'm really going to look into hiring some VAs or hiring some employees just to make sure that I'm able to process everything and I'm not getting too bogged down, because obviously I need to still be making YouTube videos and working on other YouTube channels, so it's going to take a lot of work, and I'm just feeling super stressed, guys. Now, outside of YouTube and Facebook Marketplace, I've also dabbled in some cryptocurrencies. Now, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just following a lot of people that have a large social media following. I'm listening to what they recommend that you invest in. I try to do a little bit of my own research, and then hopefully I make money. But right now, this is my Coinbase account. As you can see, I have a little over $5,000 in it. However, the transfer hasn't gone through completely when it comes to, goes through my bank onto Coinbase. So right now I can't spend it or invest it or anything like that. But I'm going to try some different projects. I mean, I'm already invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is not a lot of money. AMP as well. And those are just kind of the free cryptocurrencies that they gave you when you sign up to Coinbase and do some different learn objectives, which is nice because, I mean, who doesn't like free money? But I plan to put this in a auto staking project or program when it comes to a few cryptocurrencies that I found. So hopefully I can invest it. My money will grow every single month using their auto staking protocols, and then I'll be able to pull that money out and invest it in other things. But right now, money's basically just waiting to get transferred completely until I can actually spend it. Hopefully the market doesn't tank in the meantime, even though I did invest my money in USD coins. The reason why I did that is because it's stable and it's a one-to-one to the US dollar. What I didn't want to happen is invest all my money in Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin absolutely tanks and then I lose all my money when I'm not even sure where exactly I want to be invested in or what cryptocurrencies I want to be using to grow my portfolio. So I just threw it in USD coins just because it seems to be pretty stable, and then I can decide where I want to put the money after that. Now, for the other business that I want to start when it comes to growing my income on the side of actually being at my full-time job is lead generation, in which I'm going to be building and ranking websites on Google and then basically allowing employees or salespeople or companies to rent out my website in order to bring in more potential clients. However, I haven't created any websites yet. Haven't paid anybody to do it, but that's something that's on my list, probably to be done by the end of April, just depending on how quickly my YouTube channels are growing, what my marketplace looks like, how my client accounts are growing on marketplace, as well as if my money goes through on Coinbase. After all that stuff gets done, I'll have a little bit more time to focus on other adventures, and that'll be lead gen specifically. I'm hoping to partner up with one of my friends, have him actually do most of the work, and then I'm just going to be the person that puts up the money to make sure that we're completely funded when it comes to buying the domains, buying the actual website builders. If we have to run any paid ads, I'll be the one doing that too. But hopefully they'll be okay with that because it will require a lot of work. But right now I just do not have the time to do extra things. So that's kind of my plan with that too. So I know this video was short, it's kind of to the point. I try not to talk too fast, but I do have to get to work in the next 20 minutes. But I wanted to make sure that I at least get out my 3 videos a week. And with that being said, if you are someone that's new to the channel, my name's Trey. I basically make videos on how you can make money online, diversify your income, and financial news that I think is pretty important for you to know. And if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video, as it helps my channel grow more than you will ever imagine. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.